I think that I'm just gonna stop doing YouTube because the one video that Tabitha did had more views in 24 hours than like any of my other videos. So obviously she's a star and I have a lot of work to do. Hey everyone, and welcome to Stuff Moms Have Time For. On today's edition of Cocktail Friday, we're going full fall. As fall-like as you could get in a beverage. Not using pumpkin though. I don't know, pumpkin in beverages. Everybody loves pumpkin in beverages. I don't get it. I like pumpkin pie and like pumpkin bars, like pumpkin and baked goods. But that's like where I draw the line. All right, so today's recipe is going to be an apple cider and maple bourbon drink. I have played with this drink a lot because it was either super sweet or super sour with some of the ingredients that I added, and I feel like I finally got it, so I'm gonna share that one with you today. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is just fill our shaker with some ice, and then we're gonna put in 2 shots of some bourbon. You can use whatever bourbon you'd like. I don't have my fancy jigger today, so we're using Stewie. So you're gonna do 2 shots of the bourbon. And then we're going to add our apple cider. You can find this at any grocery store these days. We're gonna add 3 shots of apple cider to the drink. Now, theoretically, you could stop here. Just shake it up, pour it in a glass, but I kind of wanted to go above and beyond, so I actually played with some different spices, and adding a little bit of spice actually improved the drink a lot. So we're gonna first add some cinnamon, just a dash, and also with some ginger, because it kind of cuts the sweetness a little bit. And then just a dollop of maple syrup, like a teensy bit, or you're gonna end up with something overly sweet. Then you're gonna put your shaker top on. Now, I already put a little ice cube in my fancy glass here. I'm just gonna pour all that directly in your glass. Then to garnish, I'm just gonna add a cinnamon stick. And I also am gonna use an apple. I'm gonna cut a really thin slice. And I'm just gonna take a thinly sliced apple and place it right in the drink. You could use a mandolin to do the slicing of the apple, but those things scare the heck out of me, so I do not own one. This is a really, really nice fall cocktail. And if you have a fall party coming up, I feel like this would be a very impressive drink to do, and it's very little effort. You could make it in a much bigger batch as well, but it's super tasty, in my opinion, not overly sweet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this cocktail. And now I'm gonna like just put it away because it's actually the middle of the day and I'm not drinking now. Okay, bye. I would totally love to hear from you guys what cocktail you would like to see. A lot of times I play with them a little bit before I actually film it, so I can try to come up with something that you guys are interested in. If you like this video and you like making cocktails, please subscribe because I make a new cocktail every single week. I will see you guys next time.